Hi, this is my review for the Anker wireless charging station. It charges your phone here and your Apple Watch here. This is the Apple Watch charger. You'd have to get separately and then you put it inside. And then you can, when you get your watch, just put it here and it'll just connect to the charger and charge. The same with this. I'm holding my phone, so I won't be able to demonstrate. But when you place your phone here, it'll just light up here a blue light, and then it means that it's charging. If it flashes and it's it's blinking, the blue light is blinking, then it's not charging. So always make sure that it's actually on, because sometimes my wife and I, we've left our phone here and we think it's charging and the light isn't on because we didn't check. And then when we go back, we're like, oh, it ran out of battery. What's going on? Maybe this is broken. It's that we didn't. You have to make sure it's placed right in the middle, or just move it around a little bit until the light turns on, and then your phone will say it's charging. So it has like a magnetic, I guess, some kind of strip or technology here that makes it charge. This is the back. This, of course, is the plug to plug it into the wall. This goes here, and then the other side, the cable is plugged into my wall. This is the bottom part. As this, it just kind of give it like a grip. Basically, for the watch, I'd have to open it, but you would open this here, right? You can open it, and then you would. It looks like a little. You get the cord and you kind of place it along. It's like a. I don't know what it's gonna say, like a maze, but it's kind of maze. It's just like a strip, and then it just keeps going and going and going, and then it'll plug in, and then you put this here. So it looks. You have to take this out and put this cable through the inside here. But once you do it once, you don't have to do it again. So it kind of like holds the cable in place, and then it puts it here, and then you can charge both at the same time. It's very, very convenient. I really like it. Less cables, to be honest. It's very clean, doesn't have so much stuff, and it charges really well. So hope you check it out.